Okay, today's project, I'm going to be installing some lower control arms on my 1998 Ford Explorer. This one came off of eBay. I have two of them, the left and the right side. My first idea was to replace the lower control arm bushing, these two pieces here. So what I would have to do was to disassemble my wheel and take off my rotor, my bridge caliper, and my shock absorbers, and my sway bar linkage to get to this control arm, and then remove the old bushings. I probably would have to press them out or burn them out, and that would have took a lot of time. And the bushings, to be cost effective, it was better. I did my research. It's better to go ahead and buy the whole lower control arm with the bushings already installed, as you see here. And it also comes with a lower ball joint, so and you can't beat that. And I got a reasonable price off of eBay. This control arm, one side came with the grease pen, and this side for some reason didn't have the grease pen. But that's not a problem. You can just take a simple tap set. This is from Harbor Freight. My tap set, and you can get some grease fittings from Harbor Freight, real cheap. Find the right size that you're going to be using here, and get your tap set and match up the tool that makes the screw hole here. You can screw the grease fitting in. This one looks like it's going to fit. And take your steel drill bit set and match up the grease fitting with the size of the drill bit. This is just slightly smaller than the grease fitting, and I'm going to drill a hole right in the center here of the ball joint. I'm going to drill a hole here in the center and take my tap set here. Let me move this out the way. And simply insert it inside of this tool here. Just set it there and tighten it up. That's what it looks like. And once I drill my hole with my drill, I'm going to take my tap set. I'm just going to press down and turn like this here, and keep turning until I get it down to where just enough where I can screw the grease fitting in. I also want to make sure that when I screw down there's an opening where the grease can come through, that there's nothing blocking, there's no aluminum blocking. So once I drill my hole, I'm going to make sure that I can see through there, to where when I squeeze my grease through the grease fitting, that it won't have any blockage. So let me do that. Okay, we're gonna put a hole here, top of the ball joint. Got my steel drill bit right here. Just line it up. Put a pressure on it. Take your time. Get a close up here. Want to make sure that went through. It's very thin on top of the ball joint. As you can see, the hole went through. Okay, once you get your tap set in place here, put some pressure on it. We have to do this on the floor. Just back off of it. Test your screw. Make sure that hole is clear. Put your grease down in there. There's a lot of gook in there. Let me clear some of that out. Okay, let's see here. Get a safety pin, see if anything's down there moving around. I think I have me a clearance. And take your grease pen, set it up there. Take your socket set, see if you can get it to go down in there.